a kid at hope. I'm a kid at hope. I am a kid at home. I am a kid at hope. I am talented, smart, and capable of success. I have dreams for the future. And now we'll climb to reach those goals and dreams every day. All kids are capable of success. No exceptions. No exceptions.
Well, today was a very exciting day out at Dorothy Hall Elementary School. We had our Tunnel of Hope to kick off our community, surrounding our students with support and really encouraging them to reach for their goals and dreams. It was great to see so many community members out here. We had people from the college, we had people from all different careers that were able to speak to our students, from construction to veterinarians to doctors. It was very, very exciting for the kids and I think motivating. And we are really pleased to see the kids time traveling and thinking about their future and planning for their goals and dreams. And it's just really pleasing to see them so excited about working toward their future.
My name is Stacy Melton. I'm a 4th and 5th grade social studies teacher at Dorothy Hall Elementary School. And we've created a time travel hallway where kids can, from kindergarten to 5th grade, have designed their dreams for hobbies and career, education, community service, and their future dreams. The older kids have a lot of dreams about different colleges that they want to go to. A lot of kids want families and are very specific about what family members they have and how many people are in their family. I think it's very valuable for kindergartners all through 5th grade to have an idea what they want to do in the future and see it change over time.